Good morning, students. Last lecture we started off with problems on vectors. I have given you all some selected questions from the blue book to be solved. Hopefully all of you all have done that. Blue book में से एक प्रॉब्लम था एक प्रॉब्लम था जो शायद से was very close, very similar to the one that we did in class. Okay, the last sum that we did in class, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is sum number 46, and everyone, I want you all to include this in the classwork set itself. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon, and the position vectors of points of what is this ABC are A bar, B bar, C bar respectively. Okay, find the position vectors of what is this D, E and D, S and E. D, S and E बोला हुआ है. Okay, now everyone इसको करने का तरीका. Now what does this mean? Okay, this is question number 46. This is page number 16, question number 46. Okay, and you all have been given, okay, this is a regular hexagon. ठीक है, regular hexagon है A, B, C, D, E, F, ऐसा है, and they know A bar, B bar and C bar are the position vectors of. So A bar, B bar, C bar are the position vectors of the three vertices. Now you all have to find out what is going to be position vector of D, E and F. Obviously in terms of A bar, B bar and C bar. So position vectors A, B and C का are defined with respect to some origin. कोई तो एक origin, एक पॉइंट है origin point. ठीक है, वो जान दो, right? We know that A bar, B bar and C bar are position vectors. Now, if we need to understand and finally find out what are going to be the position vectors of D, E and F, हम लोग ने जो पिछले लेक्चर में क्लास में सॉल्व किया था, उसमें one of the vertices of the hexagon was already given to be origin. Referred to the vertex O as origin लिखा हुआ था क्वेश्चन में, है ना? इसमें कुछ नहीं है. So we have to get this solved, okay, without making use of any known point here as origin, right? For example, look. I think this I made out right already, okay, but I am repeating. Can I say FC bar, F to C? Remember, we talked about this in the lecture itself. FC bar should be twice of AB bar. And if that is true, everyone, can I say therefore C bar minus F bar is equal to 2 times B bar minus A bar. So F bar को push करते उधर, and therefore I will get 2A bar minus 2B bar plus C bar. ये होना चाहिए आपका F bar. I think F bar is correctly given, huh? F is the middle one. Yes, 2A minus 2B plus C bar. Okay, F bar done. And we have made use of only basics. We already know that FC bar will be twice of AB bar. ये मालूम था हमें. तो वो यूज करके मैंने F bar का पोजीशन वेक्टर डिटरमाइन किया है in terms of ABC. Okay. Next now, can I say AF bar is equal to CD bar? देखो जरा, ए एफ बार इज इक्वल टू सी डी बार। ओके, इक्वल वेक्टर्स याद है ना तुम लोगों को मैंने क्या बोला था जब मैंने इक्वल वेक्टर्स के बारे में बोला था? ओके, सेम मैग्नीट्यूड सेम डायरेक्शन वो सब ठीक है। Whenever problems में आप लिखो ए एफ बार इज इक्वल टू सी डी, दो बार चेक करो कि भाई मैग्नीट्यूड भी इक्वल है, डायरेक्शन भी सेम है तो राइट। I think AF bar and CD bar are equal vectors definitely. Okay, so AF bar is equal to CD bar. Therefore F bar minus A bar is equal to D bar minus C bar करके आएगा। And जिसमें F bar तो तुम लोगों को पता है, F bar तो तुमने अभी ढूंढ लिया है। So that means can I say 2A bar minus 2B bar plus C bar, that is F, minus A is equal to D bar minus C bar. तो D bar isolate करो उस तरफ. So can I say D bar will be, come on, D bar will be 2A minus A मतलब A हो गया. Then C minus C will come here. Okay, so minus 2B bar plus 2C bar. I think D bar is this. डी बार भी मेरे हिसाब से सही दिया हुआ है, ए बार माइनस 2बी बार प्लस 2सी बार, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, डी बार इज आल्सो करेक्ट। मेरे हिसाब से ई में शायद से थोड़ा गड़बड़ी है, ई बार। ओके, चलो ई बार के लिए क्या करें? ई बार के लिए आपके पास काफी सारा ऑप्शंस हो गया है। ओके, कैन आई सिंपली से ईडी बार मस्ट बी एबी बार। ओके, ईडी बार मस्ट बी AB bar. Okay, so can I say ED bar means D bar minus D bar, D bar minus D bar is B bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar. Okay, so E bar चाहिए हमें, right? D bar itself is A minus 2B plus 2C, है ना? And minus E bar is B bar minus A bar. देखो फाइनल आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? E को उस तरफ भेजो, ओके, एंड A एंड D को इस तरफ ला दो। दिस विल बी 2A minus 3B bar and plus 2C bar and plus 2C bar. मेरे हिसाब से there is a correction there. It should be 2A minus 3B plus 2C. ये होना चाहिए आपका E बार के लिए क्वेश्चन है, ई बार का क्वेश्चन वेक्टर। ठीक है, जरा फटाफट नोट कर लो। ओके, वेरी क्विकली, राइट? प्लीज इंक्लूड दिस सम इन द क्लासवर्क सेट itself. Let this be there. It's a good problem and I think it was the only problem which was worth the discussion anyway from the homework given. Okay, फटाफट ये क्लासवर्क में ही इंक्लूड करो, राइट? Okay, let us then continue. There is one more hexagon wala problem in the sheet. Okay, let's quickly get that done also. Okay, okay, it's about ABCDEF only as a regular hexagon and show that करके है. Let me rub only this out. Let the figure be there. Okay, so we are now talking about all subpart F. Question number 2 का subpart F. ABCD is a CDEF is a regular hexagon. Show that AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar, अच्छा all A, AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar and AF bar. Okay, sum of all these is 6 times AO, where O is the center of the hexagon. O is the center of the hexagon मतलब अगर मैंने ये ड्रॉ किया, ओके, ये वाला पॉइंट है O, ये वाला पॉइंट है O, ठीक है? चलो, so everyone, we would since position vectors have been mentioned here, can I say let's define or let's find out the solution with in terms of position vectors first. ये करते हैं पहले. Okay, so first as usual in terms of position vectors. ठीक है, in terms of position vectors. अच्छा, इस प्रॉब्लम में everyone can I say let us take, because question में already O है, let us for sake of convenience take this to be fixed point. Okay, fixed point, that is origin. मान के चलो कि भाई ये origin है. Okay, origin, right? So I'm going to say we define, I'm writing down the statement very clearly, all. You also must do the same. We define position vectors of points with respect to center O as origin or as fixed point. ठीक है, ये आपको लिखना है. अच्छा, नाउ एवरीवन जरा मेरे लिए आप सब यहां देखो और मेरे को बताओ O to A, this will be A bar. O to A, this will be A bar. Please understand, A bar जो आपने लिखा है, it is always position vector of point A means defined from origin fixed point to the point. So origin से A, that means this direction is A bar. What about B bar? Direction that is. Can I say OA bar and OD bar are negatives of each other? So can I say OA bar is equal to minus OD bar? Therefore, A bar is equal to minus D bar. A bar is equal to minus D bar. Pakka? Absolutely fine. Okay. A bar is minus D bar. Then similarly, आप बताओ, come on. You tell me A bar is minus D bar. Similarly, बोलो, OB and OE will be negatives of each other. So am I writing this correctly? B bar is minus D bar and C bar is minus F bar. ऐसे होगा. So perfect for us. Okay, perfect for us. Let us mark that as relation number 1. And can I now write LHS? LHS is AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AS bar. ऐसे होगा. चलो फटाफट भी अपने पास और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, सब मुझे वेक्टर में लिख देना ही है. ओके, सो दिस विल बी B bar minus A bar plus C bar minus A bar plus D bar minus A bar plus E bar minus A bar plus S bar minus C bar. पक्का? minus A bar. अब B bar and E bar will cancel out. B bar plus E bar है ना, B bar plus E bar is 0. B bar and E bar, they are negative to each other. So go on. C bar and S bar will cancel out each other. They are negative to each other. So that's gone. So now what remains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5A bar and D. D bar is itself minus A bar and minus A bar. Now all this is from 1 only. So we are looking at what? Minus 6A bar. Minus 6A bar is minus 6 OA bar. A bar is OA bar. 6 point से A तक, 6 point से A तक. So OA bar लिखा and minus OA bar is 6 AO bar. Therefore the answer. So this is now all of you. This is now your solution, which is based on the understanding of position vectors. Understanding of position vectors. Okay. So this is perfect. No problems at all on that. Right? Let us then also look at आप लोग इस बार फिगर ड्रॉ करना है फॉर एवरी सम. ओके, इवन सेकंड मेथड के लिए अलग से फिगर ड्रॉ करना है. दिस इज नाउ फॉर दिस वन विद हेल्प ऑफ पोजीशन वेक्टर्स. ओके, नाउ व्हेन आई से इन टर्म्स ऑफ लॉज ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, चलो लॉज ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, which means now there is no position vectors understanding at all. मतलब position vectors अपने analysis में आता ही नहीं है. So I am going to have all position vectors eliminated. All position vectors eliminated. Okay. So a new figure all that you draw the hexagon again. No origin, no fixed point, nothing at all. That's the figure. That's the figure now. Okay. And we're going to now talk in terms of getting AB bar, AC bar, AD bar, AE bar and AF bar. Okay? अच्छा, ये कैसे करेंगे? Now, in terms of laws of vector addition, चलो, laws of vector addition. What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Can I say, everyone? अब थोड़ा सा मेरे को आपका ज्यादा फोकस चाहिए. हाँ, लिटिल मोर फोकस. राइट, ये रेगुलर हेक्सागन है. बिकॉज ये रेगुलर हेक्सागन है, AB बार इज इक्वल टू ED बार. ओके, AB बार सिंस रेगुलर हेक्सागन, सिंस इट इज अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन. ओके, therefore AB bar is equal to ED bar. AB bar is equal to ED bar. Okay, AB bar is equal to ED bar. Now, moment you say this, AB bar is equal to ED bar, there are two things that are possible from here on as well. AB bar is equal to ED bar. Zara dhyan se, everyone, very simple it is, but it has to be clear in your understanding. दिमाग में जाना चाहिए, सेट होना चाहिए. ओके, AB बार इज इक्वल टू ED बार. सो AB बार इज इक्वल टू ED बार here. Now everyone, AED triangle. Okay, triangle AED. Can I say AE bar plus ED bar is AD bar? Therefore, AE bar plus ED bar is AD bar. Is it fair to say therefore AE bar plus AB bar is AD bar? Okay, AE bar plus AB bar is AD bar. ये हो गया, ऐसे हो सकता है. Now everyone, another way of looking at it, since AB bar is equal to ED bar, therefore quadrilateral ABDE is a parallelogram. ABDE is a parallelogram. अच्छा, now everyone, ये हम लोग स्पेसिफिकली आगे पैरेललोग्राम करके सम्स करने वाले हैं, but talking about it right away because it's required here. Okay, AB bar equal to ED bar means quadrilateral ABDE में this means AB is equal to ED in length and AB is parallel to EDF. AB is parallel to ED भी है. Okay, collinear vectors हो गया ना. Equal vectors means they are collinear 100%. Collinear means in geometry it means they are parallel. Everyone, parallel. And that means one pair of opposite sides, congruent and parallel, which means it's a parallelogram. And if it is a parallelogram, can I apply parallelogram law of extradition? Parallelogram law of extradition. By parallelogram law of extradition, I understand. Okay, by parallelogram law of extradition, can I say all of y'all A से शुरू करते हैं. Parallelogram law में मालूम है ना तुम लोगों को, the two vectors to be added has to originate or terminate at the same point. Originate or terminate at the same point. ध्यान में है कि नहीं? So AB bar plus AE bar, these are the adjacent two sides, must be equal to diagonal through that. Diagonal through that is AD bar only. So I can definitely write AB bar plus AE bar is AD bar. Okay, which is relation number 1 again. Okay, I believe all of you all अपना 4 नहीं 5 वेक्टर्स में ये 2 वेक्टर्स हो गए, ये और ये. ओके, अच्छा ये वाला तो एडी बार ही है, अभी भी एडी बार ही है, उसको जाने दो. बाकी कौन से 2 बचे? AC एंड AF. जरा AC एंड AF ध्यान से देखो. AC एंड AF, can I say again, because it's a regular hexagon, all of you all regular hexagon होने की वजह से is it fair to say similarly AF bar is equal to CD bar, AF bar is equal to CD bar. Okay, AF bar is equal to CD bar will imply we can use triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, this will mean AC bar plus CD bar is AD bar, and therefore AC bar plus AF bar is AD bar. ये दूसरा हो गया. So can I now say all of you? अच्छा, इसका मैं elaborate नहीं कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि अगर ये आपको समझ में आया तो ये तो आ ही गई. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम 1 and 2 और adding 1 and 2 चलेगा. adding 1 and 2 से क्या मिलेगा? AB plus AE plus AC plus AF bar is equal to twice AD bar. अब इसको मैं और क्या बोले? इसको add AD bar on both sides. So therefore, can I say AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar and finally AF bar is 3 times AD bar, which is 6 times AO bar. Okay, which is 6 times AO bar. और 6 times AO bar लिखते तुम लोग क्या लिखोगे बाजू में? 6 times AO bar लिखोगे तो बाजू में क्या लिखोगे? Since O is the midpoint of AD. Since O is the midpoint of AD, so AD bar will be twice of AO bar or twice of OD bar. अपने को ये हो जाए, इसलिए मैंने 6 times AO bar लिख दिया. So बाजू में उधर लिखो. Okay, since O is the midpoint of AD, and that should be your solution without the use of position vectors. Okay, please make a note of it quickly. Everyone, please make a note of it quickly. In the next section, problems based on parallelogram है, वो actually यही है, but I would want to do some problems on section formula and collinearity right away. Okay, so हम लोग इसके बाद डायरेक्टली सेक्शन फॉर्मूला कोलिनियरिटी सेक्शन पे जाएंगे. दिस इज ऑन द 3rd पेज, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का जो सब पार्ट है, दैट विल डू फर्स्ट एंड देन विल प्रोसीड फर्दर. ओके.